How to change dark mode or light mode on File Explorer in Windows 10. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Markenji. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change dark mode or light mode on File Explorer. Of course, on Windows start this. Then how to change it? This is so easy. Just click on the right on your mouse and choose personalize. After that, you go to the color, and this is you have to choose your color. If you choose like, this is become like from this end to this to File Explorer and Windows. And if you choose the dark mode, it will change. Of course, your File Explorer will be changed to the dark. Uh, we have the advantage for the dark mode. That is not hurt your eyes, and this is more save your battery, more safer than use the light mode. Okay, maybe just that for this tutorial, how to change your color on or to change your mode on your Windows 10. For furthermore, I am sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ngga.